Do you want to spruce up your yard and give it some shade? In this video, we'll be showing you step by step how to plant a tree. First, gather your supplies. Try to choose a tree appropriate for your space. Consider the climate and location to find a tree that will thrive. Check the link below for tips on finding your perfect tree. Also, be sure to call the Diggers Hotline at 811 to avoid underground cables. Next, start digging. Make sure the hole is as deep as the root ball and twice as wide to give the roots space to grow. If your soil is poor, add some garden soil to the bottom. Then, gently remove the tree from its pot. Do not yank it out, as that may damage the root ball. Use a shovel to tap away any loose dirt and expose the roots. Place the tree in the hole. Make sure the root ball is 1 inch or less above ground level. Refill the hole and lightly tamp down the dirt with your shovel or foot. Be careful to not pack it too firmly. You can also add more garden soil if needed. Now, add 2 to 3 inches of mulch around your tree to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Make sure to keep it away from the trunk to avoid rot. You can also add fertilizer, covering it with the mulch. Finally, use a soaker hose to gently water your tree. Loop it around the tree's base and turn it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Water daily, being sure to adjust to the needs of your tree type and local climate. And that's it! Enjoy your newly planted tree!